Okay, we're here at the Rheem Prestige Series Tankless water heater. It is an on-demand hot water heater. It's 95% efficient. When you turn your faucet on, you get instant hot water, and it's unlimited. This model here, it's a modulating control. It goes down from 11,000 BTUs input all the way up to 199,000 BTUs. So it only uses as much gas as what you're actually needing at the moment. Handles up to a 3.5 bathroom house. Okay, we're here. We've moved down lower here to the bottom portion of this tankless water heater here. You can see there's the drain that comes down. All the condensation from the flue gases, well, that's going to drain out into our drain. Here is the relief valve, just like a standard water tank. This has a 30 psi pressure release valve for safety. And that will relieve any excess pressure if there was a problem with the system. And these particular valves here are for doing the maintenance on this. It's recommended by the manufacturer. Once a year you want to have this system flushed. And what these valves do is allow you to isolate this from the rest of your system. And there's a kit we hook up and we put a flush through there to circulate and get any kind of sediment out of there. So just kind of like a regular water tank where you would drain the sediment off the bottom. Very similar, except it requires a special pump, and we could come out and do that for you and take care of that. Okay, we got the access panel off here. We're going to show you some of the basic components of this. It looks very complicated here. There's a lot of wires and controls. It's actually a very nice, simple design for troubleshooting too. This is the integrated circuit board. This will actually be the brain of this tankless water heater. This puts all the inputs out, all the sensors. It even displays fault codes. So if there was to be a problem with the tankless water heater, it'll actually tell the circuit board what's going on. So when we come out as the service tech, we could easily find out what's going on and immediately fix the problem. So you have your circuit board here. There's the gas valve. That's what modulates up and down depending on if you got just a small sink running, or if you're doing a dishwasher, or if you're filling up a jacuzzi tub. It'll run on the demand of hot water that you currently need. This right here is a condensate trap. It also has built-in acid neutralizer. Depending on which area you live in, that might be required by code. The condensation from the flue gases is acidic, and this will neutralize that, so all the drain waste going out through the drain we showed you won't be harmful to your drain. This up here is the heat exchanger. It's covered by a heat strip here to keep that warm. There's a couple of sensors in here, and when the flue gases go through this heat exchanger, they go out. This one here is your exhaust, and this is the fresh air pipe. So this actually draws combustion air from outside, so it's totally self-contained. You can have this in a sealed closet. It will not affect the operation of it. Don't worry about these probes up here. This is hooked up to a special test done by GTI and by Nicor. And we're going to get into that. That's in conjunction with our hydronic air handler. So that's pretty much an overall of what's inside here. And you can see how this operates.